Apisas mag board mag jamni kod lema moke pacho ka udhi nyime gi apedha mapoya ka gigeto jogo ma uso yedhe mag jamni gi lema moko ma bende osebedo ka uso yedhe mamero ji ne rowere gino maketo ngima gibedo kama ng'awo. Board ma kamano madhi nyime gi apedha no e kaunti ma Kisii osemo johala ma uso yedhe go maonge lesen ni chik idhi luwo rondi. Bende gigeto mako lakteche mabandia mag jamni matiyo maonge lesen mawuok e board ma kamano.
This is an operation across the country, and we are putting on notice. Anyone who trades in veterinary medicines must have a practice license from the Kenya Veterinary Board, must have a permit license from the Veterinary Medicines Directorate, and that is non-negotiable. The board issued a notice to all employers across the country. If you are engaging a veterinary surgeon or a veterinary paraprofessional who is not registered and licensed by the board, you stand to be charged in a court.
Thank our regulator, the Kenya Veterinary Board, for coming to undertake this exercise that will go a long way in protecting our farmers and the population of not only this county but the entire country. Illegal practice or malpractice in the sector goes a long way in endangering the lives of the population.